Golf Mike Sierra, rolling 09.
Easterly 10.
Golf number uniform, just wondering for the attention of Golf Mike Charlie.
SB's alive.
Golf number uniform, I think Golf Mike Charlie's over 09 numbers. Just wondering what it's intending on doing. I'm just about to be over the 27 numbers.
I have an Oscar India Mike Charlie inbound to the field.
Oh yeah, they're just...
How have I got a stitch?
A stitch?
Beautiful, final 09er.
Roger, easterly 10 knots.
Golf Delta Alpha, overhead.
Final for runway 09 at aircraft in sight.
Roger, there's one on to turn off, then nothing down to effect, and we're easterly 10.
Dolphin, Bravo, Sierra Foxtrot, Papa, take your runway 06.
That's us at our height.
Golf Mike Sierra, St. Giles.
Golf Mike Sierra, Roger.
Frequency to Farnborough radar 132.8.
Golf Bravo, Alpha Roger. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Golf Delta Papa is ready to departure.
Golf Delta Papa, wind 0505 knots.
Roger, lining up then, taking off Golf Delta Papa.
Got the airfield in sight.
Okay.
Green space there.
Alright.
Just the other side of the A40.
Oh,
cool. Golf Mike Sierra, left base 06.
Visual with the divine traffic.
alright.
Mike Sierra, final 06.
Golf Mike Sierra, wind 040, 11 knots.
Copy, cold.
Landing 06, Golf Mike Sierra. Golf Mike Sierra requests vacate to the right towards the tower.
Golf Mike Sierra, roger.
Not my best landing, not my worst.
Golf Mike Sierra, can I ask you to park towards your right this time, next to the white aircraft?
Do you have the registration for that aircraft, Golf Mike Sierra?
Golf Charlie Mike Alpha Kilo.
Visuals, roger. We'll park between that and the runway, Golf Mike Sierra.
Golf Mike Sierra, you can park on the hard standing between the Cirrus and that aircraft.
Gotcha, thank you, Golf Mike Sierra. Golf Delta Papa, which leads to the north, like frequency change on route.
Golf Delta Papa, roger. Have a good
Visual
flight.
with my hard standing. I'm being filmed. Twinning! After landing, carpet is cold, flaps are up, throttle friction loose, radios go off on the transponder, and we can now go shutdown checks. Location good, parking brake is my feet. 1200 for 30 seconds, check the mags. Good, and throttle to closed, and mixture to die, you There we go. And we'll go. Engine lights off, strobes off, max off, masters off. Open your door.